It is important to monitor your AED and make sure it's working properly. Workplace policies will vary on how and when you need to check your AED, but make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Policies may state that the unit should be checked daily, weekly or monthly. Initial checks are quite straightforward. Most AED units have a flashing light that indicates that the unit is functioning correctly. A warning sound or beeping noise could indicate there's a problem with the unit or that the batteries are low. Units self-test periodically. If a problem is detected, you'll receive a warning and a notification. When checking the unit, open the case and make sure everything is there. Make sure the pads are there and the instructions are in the case. Check the pads and make sure that the seals are not broken, check the expiry dates and check the battery expiry dates. Look at the units itself and make sure there's no signs of damage. Check for humidity and dust. If the unit is damp or dusty, consider changing how you store it. Heated cabinets will protect AED units from excessive cold temperatures. Check to make sure the heating is working and any lights are working if they're fitted. When you've checked the unit visually, put it back in the case. To test the AED unit, push the start button and it will work through the initial analysing cycle with the lights flashing and the correct voice prompts. You then know that the unit's ready to use. Finally, document your findings as appropriate. If your AED is registered on the 999 network, make sure you update that login area as well.